Kenya's real estate sector continues to attract huge investments. The sector contributed 5.9%, accounting for most of the change in the country's GDP after rebasing. It is against this backdrop that players in the sector held the 20th Kenya Homes Expo in Nairobi. Elayne Wangalwa was there and filed this report.
In Kenya, the average housing loan goes at the rate of nearly 17%, making the dream of owning a home elusive to many. Nonetheless, the property market is responding to demand that has been created by the expanding middle class.
I came to the Home Expo to see what the exhibitors have put, because I love big houses or a beautiful and a nice, comfortable house. And I've been looking for it, and I would want to see the competition in the market, even for those people who build. And so far, I'm happy. I've gotten contacts. And I think in the next 2 years, I'll be sitting in my table room in a nice house, beautiful maisonette. That's what I desire.
The 20th Kenya Homes Expo garnered local and international exhibitors drawn from various sectors of the real estate industry.
Kenya Homes Expo has grown into a formidable force. The forum has not only provided an avenue for the industry professionals and investors to network and expand their knowledge, but have been a great boost for the industry, initially helping to demystify the sector from an illicit activity to one where even a village investment group, Chamas, can embrace the challenge of providing housing. Kenya Home Expo is the first stop in discovering the market, its dynamics and buyer behavior. Over 10 firms from Germany, China, India, South Africa, Turkey, USA, France, and more are among our repeat exhibitors. The interest and goal of everyone involved in this expo or represented here is of two tiers, either to harness opportunities or address the challenges facing Kenya's property industry.
Over the years, the expo has grown 10-fold from 40 exhibitors during its inception in 2005.
Kenya Homes Expo today has close to 200 exhibitors displaying their products, and this participation is from more than 20 exhibitors categories. Currently, over 50,000 visitors go through the exhibition stands during the 4 days of this event. Through aggressive media and other promotional campaigns, we have managed to attract relevant traffic throughout the expos. We have continued to give exhibitors value for money and a forum to grow their business and establish more network and opportunities.
The expo also led to the debut of other exhibitors looking to showcase their products and services.
We are first-time exhibitors. We are seeking to achieve some mileage with our projects. We want to create awareness of some of the new projects that we have in the market. We are trying to bring a new face to some of these things. Our expectation, we are looking to, given the expo and the organizers, a traffic of about 200 to 300 guys on a daily basis is what we are seeking to acquire. That's our target for now. Hopefully we can participate in more of this.
The event also attracted the youth who are increasingly being drawn into the property market.
I think Kenya today, we are moving in the world of real estates because the youth and more importantly me, I want to get into the world of building houses for the coming up population. Yeah. And that's basically why I'm here today, just to gain experience and to see, companies, what other companies, the cement, from the cement industry, from the floor, what they have to offer.
Nevertheless, the growth of the expo highlights the rising demand and investor confidence in the entire real estate sector.
Developers would not succeed in helping to deliver homes for all Kenyans without the government assistance. We call on the Kenyan government to hasten digitalization of land records, to facilitate quick transaction on land like mortgages, and to help solve issues currently related to land ownership and title deeds.
As a government, we take cognizance of the efforts by the private sector in addressing housing gap in Kenya. We are aware that the bulk of housing development in this country is by the private sector. We also take note that the private sector has tended to concentrate on the middle and high-income housing, leaving lower-income housing needs unattended. In this regard, the government is committed to working with all sectors players towards addressing the issue of affordable housing for the low-income earners, who are indeed the majority of the population. Our doors as a ministry are open for dialogue and collaboration in delivering of such housing.
As it is, the total number of mortgage accounts in Kenya stands at 20,000, which is significantly below the housing units of more than 200,000 per year and growing. There is therefore an urgent need to increase the supply of new and affordable housing.
We urge that the financial institutions in this country to work with the government towards enhancing access to affordable housing finance through the following intervention. Lowering the mortgage rates is a key factor in this area. Strengthening the mortgage repayment periods by embracing multi-generational mortgages and restructuring mortgage prepayment mode in order to accommodate the informal sector.